An update now to a missing persons case we've been following. Tonight, Vermont State Police say 2 fishermen have found a kayak believed to belong to Matthew Housekeeper, the 59-year-old Bennington man who's been missing for 9 days. Police say the fishermen found the kayak in the Sherman Reservoir on Thursday, August 15th, the day Housekeeper was reported missing. They turned it over to police today when they realized it was Housekeeper's. The investigation started when Housekeeper didn't show up for work. On Friday morning, his car was found abandoned on Tunnel Street in Whitingham near the Sherman Reservoir. Bennington police say Housekeeper is an avid kayaker and frequently goes kayaking. Troopers say they will continue a limited search. State police are asking anyone with information to give them a call.